Hello, welcome to Stacio Designs. Today I am going to be creating an inside-out shirt. So right now I am just weeding out all of my vinyl pieces. This particular shirt was requested on black, so I'm doing it in vinyl, but it can be easily done with sublimation. You just need to be careful about the thickness if you're using a white shirt, because then you'll be able to see it. So this was a request for how old is he? 10 years old? So this was a really fun shirt I did for him for the holidays. So if you can see, I've sped it up a little, but when I weed, I try and find a small place on the backing sheet to stick all of my vinyl. And the pink tool I'm using is this really great tool that I got from the dollar store. So I've already put my shirt on my press, and I'm just pre-pressing it for about 5 to 10 seconds just to remove the moisture and the wrinkles. And if you've seen my past videos, my brand new process, which lots of people know, is to fold the shirt in half to create a line down the center. So when I go to place my image on, I'll know exactly where the center is, and I don't have to do it on the floor anymore and hold it up and take 15 minutes to decide if my image is centered. So this is kind of a fail-proof way to do it if you press your shirt evenly at this point. So now here's my vinyl all cut. To get the center of the vinyl, I just fold it in half and pinch the top and the bottom to show me where the centers are, top and bottom, and then I just align it with that line that I've created right down my shirt. I do about 3 to 4 fingers from the top, depending on the size of the shirt, and this was a child's large. So I did about 3 fingers, which is maybe about 2.5 inches. And now, just like regular vinyl, I am going to tack it down and press at about 315 for 7 seconds. Peel off the backing, and then I'm going to repress it again for the same 315, but now for about 15 seconds so that vinyl really adheres into the fibers. So now that we have the front all done, now we get to do the inside out part. And this part is lots of fun. So here I have turned the shirt inside out, and the front of the shirt is facing up. I'm going to be placing vinyl on the inside bottom part, so I decided that I'm better safe than sorry. I put a Teflon sheet in between so that the vinyl on the front of the shirt will not be affected by the heat. So I'm just measuring the center here, and about 3 to 4 inches from the bottom, because you do need some space to pull it over your head. So you want your image that you're putting here to end up right at your forehead or at your eyes. And this is where it can get confusing, because you have to place the image upside down, because when you pull it over your head, it'll be right side up. And I did the same process here, where I pinched it at the top and bottom so I knew the center. And this design has a couple of layers. So I'm just finishing up that design here. And the final press, again 315 for 15 seconds. And there you go. So let's check out the final outcome. So you put it on this way, and then you pop it over your head. Thanks so much, and come and check out my other videos. Have a great day.